I hadn't told my best friend about my trip to India, so the one thing I really wanted to do was surprise her. और मुझे लोगों को झटके देने में बहुत मजा आता है. Yeah, I know. I have uploaded like thousands of stories on the gram, but she's been off Instagram for a year, and her social skills are non-existent anyway. So she has absolutely no clue what's coming.
What if she's not in office? So I'm literally so anxious. So apparently she's not on the 7th floor, she's on the 5th floor.
I asked the security guard to tell her that she's received a courier and the delivery person is here to deliver it.
Where did you go? I was like, I'm so scared to come to the office. What if she's not there? People will be like, the hell are you walking in an office?
Feeling, Jessica?
Unreal.